How to make TNT in Minecraft. To make TNT in Minecraft, you need 2 ingredients, gunpowder and sand. You can get gunpowder by killing creepers, ghasts, or witches, or by finding it in chests in dungeons, desert temples, or shipwrecks. You can get sand by digging it in deserts or beaches. You need 5 gunpowder and 4 sand to make 1 TNT block. To craft TNT, you need to use a crafting table. Place the gunpowder and sand on the 3x3 grid in a specific pattern. The gunpowder should be in the center, the corners, and the middle of the bottom row. The sand should be in the remaining 4 slots. You should see a TNT block appear in the result slot. Drag it to your inventory to complete the crafting process. To use TNT, you need to activate it with a redstone signal, a flint, and steel, or another explosion. Once activated, TNT will start to flash and make a hissing sound. After 4 seconds, it will explode and destroy blocks and entities around it. Be careful not to stand too close to the blast, as it can damage you and your items. You can use TNT for various purposes, such as mining, clearing land, making traps, or having fun. However, you should also be aware of the risks and consequences of using TNT, as it can cause unwanted destruction or harm. Always use TNT with caution and respect.